If you want to cancel your SoundCloud subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoundCloud website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Subscription Management. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscription or Billing. Click on this option to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Within the Subscription Management section, you should see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts that appear. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After selecting to cancel, you may be asked to confirm your decision. Make sure to read any information provided and confirm the cancellation to finalize the process. Once you have completed these steps, your SoundCloud subscription will be cancelled. Be sure to check for any confirmation emails to ensure everything has been processed correctly.